Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Dr. Ari Saptono SE MPD as the Dean of the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta, the Honorable Rina Parlina MBA as Coordinator of the Business Education Study Program Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta, the Honorable Dr. Randa Basra Saidani MSc as the Supervisor of the Internship Program, the Honorable the Chief Examiner and the Expert Examiner. First of all, let us give thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because with His blessing that I am standing here to present the result of the internship report. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rani Wulandari from Business Education Class B 2018. On this section, I would like to present about my internship report with the title Internship Report in Financial Department at Yayasan Asrama Pelajar Islam YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun. The topic I will to present are first, place and time of implementation, second, overview of the internship workplace, third, field of work, and finally, problems and how to solve problems. Place and time of implementation. The following is the first topic to present, namely the place and time of implementation of the internship program. Internship at Yayasan Asrama Pelajar Islam YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun, Finance Department, and the place is located on Jalan Sunan Giri, number 1 Ramawangun East, Jakarta. And then, internship implementation time January 25 to February 26 to 2021. Implementation day Monday until Friday to time 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. o'clock. In this topic is an overview of YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun. Yayasan Asrama Pelajar Islam or YAPI is a foundation that was initiated to provide a forums for Islamic students such as dormitories and education programs. Then, YAPI developed the field of education by choosing Al-Azhar as the partner to manage the Al-Azhar Rawamangun education. Currently, YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun has several schools from playgroup level to higher education. Then, in this topic section, the vision and mission of YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun. The vision is to realization of the younger generation of Islamic in order to become fully Indonesian people who are the God-fearing intellectuals and fighters in the context of developing society, nation, and state. And the mission are field of education, religious field, and humanity field. In field of education are establish and organize Islamic education, establish and organize Islamic student dormitory, and then research and the field of science. And in religious field are organizing worship facilities, Islamic boarding schools, madrasah, implement religious activities, and religious studies. And then humanity field are provide and organize scholarship programs for orphans and underprivileged children, provide assistance to the homeless and the poor. This section is the organizational structure of YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun. Here there are supervisor and there is management, namely the chairman, general treasurer, general secretary, lead bank team, special staff for the chairman, directors and staff, as well as the head of the section and his staff. And then the following are the details of the names in the YAPI organizational division structure. The next topic is field of work. First, receive operational costs and filing documents. Operational costs of filing and receiving documents when doing office work. Of course, there are company's documents that must be received. The author receives files in the form of receipt and proof of expenses, payment of tuition fees, extracurricular payments, payment of registration fees, payment of operational costs, and other transactions. And there are processes. The first, receive files in order of evidence number, and then put in order, and then finally order arrange based on the document evidence numbers. And then input by posting receipt and disbursement transaction on the Odoo system. Evidence of transaction entered in the Odoo system with a YAPI agency account. The transactions that have been input are then posted to the journal, so that the recording of transaction will appear in the system and can be automatically entered into the financial statement. And the next are correct the document recapitulation by matching the transaction voucher. This is display of entry operational bank. A transaction voucher is a transaction evidence that is commonly used as reference for financial accounting. Documents that are checked are transaction documents in the previous month. Transaction checks are made in the form of entry operational bank. And then recapitulation of checking account balance. The current account that has been published is then recapitulated in an Excel document. The purpose is to make it easier to make a list of transactions in bank book. And then correct payment of payment approval letter. The purpose is to prevent double entry transaction. And then bank reconciliation records. Bank reconciliation is carried out to examine and compare transactions entered in journal record with balances in checking account. Usually, there is a difference in recording balance with accounts. This is because transactions that shouldn't have entered the bank account have already entered the bank account. If this happens, the receipt voucher proof will be repeated. And this is display of initial view of standard report and display of standard report in Odoo system. And this is display of checking journal entries. And then create PTCAS report and detailed budget funds. PTCAS transactions are carried out by the university which handles the internal financial administration of YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun activities. Record transactions that have been made, then make a financial statement of PTCAS funds. A PTCAS report is made every month by listing the details of exciting transactions accompanied by the signature of the related parties. And this is display of PTCAS report in Excel document. And the next, print about all document. This is display of voucher transaction. And create voucher transaction. Receipt and disbursement voucher are the evidence of financial transaction at YAPI Al-Azhar Rawamangun. The voucher is made on the basis of incoming and outgoing transaction based on receipt. so that receipt and disbursement voucher documents must be made every time there is an incoming and outgoing transaction with the attachment of a receipt or relate letter. And the next topic is problems and how to solve problems. The problem are technical problems and administrative problems. In technical problems, on the disconnected internet network and computer connection problems and printing machine. And then administrative problems are evidence and voucher with double numbers and record balance differences due to non-existent transaction evidence. The next topic, how to solve the problems. In technical problems, the solution is repairs for the technician to do. And then in administrative problems, rechecking the balance in the previous month transaction cited by street vendors. And conclusion is internship program activities have been running according to the specific time. The author gets a lot of knowledge and practice in the world of work, so that the author can find out how the financial records in companies and educational institutions. And then the following is the documentation when carrying out the internship program. Hopefully, this presentation can be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.